Here we have a city math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the xy plane, line K and line J are perpendicular and intersect at the point 3, 9. If line K is defined by the equation y equals to mx plus b, where m and b are constants and m is greater than 1, which of the following points lies on line J? Here we have the equation of line K, that is y equals to mx plus b. Let me write the stuff over here. So the equation of line K is y equals to mx plus b. And also the information says line K and line J are perpendicular. Then we can write the equation of line J. So that is y equals to, since line K and line J are perpendicular, so we will be using the slope of line K to write the slope of line J. Since the two lines are perpendicular and m is the slope of line K, then to get the slope of line J, we have to take reciprocal of this m. So then we'll be getting 1 over m. And also here we have positive m. We have to change the sign. It's negative 1 over m. So when m is the slope of line K, then negative 1 over m is the slope of line J. Because the two lines K and J are perpendicular. Now we have to multiply x over here, positive. So here B represents the y coordinate of the y-intercept of line K. So here we have to use some other constant as the y coordinate of the y-intercept of line J. So let me use R. So here this R represents, the constant R represents the y coordinate of the y-intercept of line J. And also there is an information, that is the two lines K and J intersect at the point 3, 9. Let me say this is line K and this is line J. So these two lines are perpendicular and also they intersect at the point 3, 9. Since 3, 9 is a point of intersection of the two lines, this point 3, 9 lies on both the lines K and J. So since this point 3, 9 lies on the line J, we can plug in this point 3, 9 into the equation of line J. That means we have to plug in this x coordinate 3 for x over here and y coordinate 9 for y over here. So when I do so, I'm getting 9 equals to negative 1 over m times 3. So I plug in the x coordinate 3 for x over here, positive r. Okay, now let's solve for r in this equation. Then we get 9 equals to, when I multiply this negative 1 and 3, I'm getting negative 3 divided by m, positive r. Okay, now to solve for r, I have to get rid of this term. For that, I have to add 3 over m to both sides. Let me do it. So when I add 3 over m to both sides, negative 3 over m, positive 3 over m will cancel. I'm getting 9 positive 3 over m equals to r. Okay, now I got the value of r, that is 9 positive 3 over m. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in the value of r into the equation of line J. So then I'm getting y equals to negative 1 over m times x positive. For r, we can plug in this 9 positive 3 over m. 9 positive 3 over m. Now I got the equation of line J over here. Now in the given answer choices, I have to find the point which lies on line J. Now when I go over the points in the given answer choices, in each point we have the same x coordinate, that is 4. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug in 4 for x over here in the equation of line J, because I have 4 as x coordinate in each of the given 4 answer choices. Okay, now let me plug in the x coordinate 4 for x over here. Then I'm getting y equals to negative 1 over m times 4 positive 9 positive 3 over m. Then I'm getting y equals to, when I multiply this negative 1 and 4, I'm getting negative 4 over m positive 9 positive 3 over m. Okay, now let me write this 9 at first, and I'll write these two terms together because both the terms have denominator m. So 9 positive 3 over m, negative 4 over m. I'm writing this negative 4 over m at last. Okay, let me continue over here. Y equals to 9. Now we subtract two fractions with the same denominator m. So now what we can do is we can take m as a common denominator, and we can write this 3 negative 4 y equals to 9. When I simplify this 3 negative 4, I'm getting negative 1. That is negative 1 over m. So when I plug in the x coordinate of 4 over here for x, I'm getting y equals to 9 negative 1 over m. So the point we have on the line J is 4 comma 9 negative 1 over m, and we find this point in answer choice A. So this is a point lies on J. The correct answer choice for this question is A.